Hello everyone. I have to tell you, it is so early. It is 4:30 in the morning. I don't know what I'm doing even awake, but I thought I would get up and just do a little pendulum read. And that way I won't have to think about the cards or, 4:30 in the morning. So, people were talking about that photo from Archie, that Archie was standing on a balcony looking over the sea and the sun in the background. And I told you that I don't go on Meghan's. I don't use Instagram to go on her site. And also, every time you guys look at it'll show, so that's another reason why I don't go on there. And anyway, I was going to ask, people are saying it was, so sorry, my cat is up early. She thinks it's time to eat. I was just going to ask, so is Meghan right now, or at the time, was she at, look at it, already going to know, was she in Mexico, apparently? That's already going to know. And just so you know, horizontal is no for you guys, and vertical for you is yes. So, did she go to Mexico? Look, it's going straight to no. Look at that. And just to clarify, let's see what yes. Can you show us what yes is, please? What way is yes, please? Okay, so yes, that was correct. Thank you. So, so did she take Archie's picture, or was that picture taken in Mexico? And that's going to no. And also, was that picture AI? Was that picture AI, please? Or Photoshop or whatever. Was that picture AI, please? Can you guys look at that? It's yes. That's going straight to yes. Can you see that? The picture with AI. So does Archie even live with Meghan? Does Archie live with Meghan? Going to know. That's going to know. Okay. I don't know. I don't even know where this came from. And I haven't been able to, because I've been working and I've been tired when I come home, so I really haven't been able to catch up. I'm only seeing things from X and a little bit of posts from YouTube that people post. And anyway, I'm trying to catch up on some meaningful podcasts and stuff from YouTube that I really want to watch, and so I'm not keeping up with Harry and Meghan thing. Anyway, I want to see, is she on the demise, please? Is Meghan on the demise? Are we starting to see the beginning of the end, please? Will you tell us, is she on the demise? Sorry. And that is going to yes. Barely yes. Let's give you a little kickstart. Is Meghan Markle on the demise? Are we going to hear less and less from her? That's going to yes. let's hope so. Does she realize that people are sick and tired of hearing from her? And that's going to yes. Do you know what has been just ringing in my ears for the last... I don't know why this thought keeps coming to my head. About when they first left the royal family, and there was an article or something, and this is back when I sort of trusted the media more. It's stupid. But it said, if something to the effect, and I don't know if some of you guys remember this, but something to the effect of, if you think they are going away, that's not going to happen, or something like that. I remember people were talking about that, and now in 2005, can't get rid of them. They're everywhere, right? So, the BBC has had something about, they said that they should have challenged Harry. I think they see how bad it really was. Anyway, so we have to pay a TV license fee, and we hardly, my husband and I hardly ever watch the BBC, but yet we have to pay. And I wonder if that was like a huge backlash, that they... did the BBC get a backlash for Harry's interview? Did the BBC get public backlash from Harry's interview? Yep. Going to yes. Usually they don't even pay attention and stuff, but I just saw that they had posted that or something, that they should have challenged it. So I'm planning on doing a live stream if I can. I don't know what's wrong with every time I try to do a live stream, it messes up, and people are waiting, and then I have to delete it and restart it, and I don't know. Even when I use that StreamYard, I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but anyway, it's frustrating. But I was thinking about doing a live stream. If you guys could be patient with me, and maybe over the weekend, and we could do a pendulum, because we haven't done that in a long time. So if you want, we'll do that, and put it in the comments, yes or no, or tell me if you, and we can do a live stream, and you can put your questions in the comments if you want, whatever. Sorry, it's very early. And I have to get ready for work. Thank you guys for being here. I appreciate you all. And I appreciate my members. And we are going to do a member live stream this weekend as well. So, and if you guys want to get your pendulums out and follow me and see if my pendulums are the same, say the same thing yours does. Or if yours differs. That's the thing. If we do a live stream, then you could say, well, my pendulum said. Thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate you. Thank you to my members. I am so grateful for all of you. Thank you for your support. If you like this content, please press the like button and subscribe if you're not subscribed. Thank you. And I will see you on the next one.